Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello there. Welcome to MX24's Events Guide, your show plugs events happening in and around the world. My name is Afinuna and I'm your special events curator. Now, you know that when it comes to all types of events, from conferences to Christian programs to party, just name it, MX24 Event Guide is there at your service. Now, in studio, we have two beautiful people who are here to talk about Startup Exchange Program 2.0, which means 1.0 has already been done and they are doing a second edition. And the theme is Building What's Last. Hello. Hi, Happy. How we doing? Just very good. I'm good. I'm good. So please introduce yourselves and let's get it. Let's just,
Yeah. So my name is Grace. I am the executive lead for the Startup Exchange program. Right?
Yo, I'm Matthew Edenkojo Ajaki, and I'm the marketing lead for the creative space and Lijay Rentals, which is a partner of the Startup Exchange Solar.
when you're in the space of vegetable things, let me think myself. Nora is now Startup Exchange Program. What is this event about?
Okay. I would like to thank your viewers and thank you also for the opportunity to speak about the
idea.
speak about the program. So the main focus of this year's edition, as you earlier mentioned, we did the first edition, but then this year we are focusing on what lasts, to build what lasts this year. We have a lot of businesses in the African startup ecosystem, especially in Ghana, that are not able to thrive in their first 2 years because there's a lot of founder fatigue, and founders are everywhere in this season.
Yes.
Exactly, and sometimes you don't even understand the title CEO. Founder. Before you get to the point of a CEO, there must have been a lot of things that you have done in the background before you can even give yourself that title. And so the second edition is to give you the knowledge about all of these things, how to build what lasts with structures and then systems.
Very necessary. Or hey, this is somebody on Instagram, CEO. Wow, the business is very halfway.
Traffic.
So I mean, this is very, very great initiative. When is this happening? When is this happening? Who and who should be there or can be there?
Okay, so it's happening this Saturday on the 4th of July at the ESA Conference Hall. It's a long-term program. We are going to start at 10 a.m. and then we are ending at 4 p.m. We are doing a long-day program because of the kind of participants that we are looking for. We are looking for growth stage businesses and then either people with business ideas. And then we are also looking at businesses that have been in operation for about 5 years and are looking forward to put in the structures. I mentioned earlier that before you call a business owner a CEO or a founder, you might have had structures. When I say structures, I mean HR department, finance department. These departments are the ones that are holding your business. And so if you don't have them at all, you cannot at all call yourself a CEO because the experience it takes to get there is very, very difficult. There is a lot of business ideas when it comes to our Ghanaian ecosystem. And if you are not able to nurture it, if I'm a founder and I find myself in the day-to-day activities of my business, at the end of the day, what actually makes me a founder hasn't been tackled, which is, finding partnerships, finding measures to help my business grow. And so, yes, that is what we are looking at. Okay. And I would also like to speak a little bit about our partners.
Yeah.
Yes. It is important that, we let our participants know exactly the benefits and then the values we are going to be giving this year's edition.
So let it come to the us. So why did you guys decide that, no, we want to partner with such an event? Because Right now, you're going in for sponsorship as a problem and you are coming in as a partner. So why do you decide, okay, why did your team decide, no, let's partner this event?
Okay. Thank you so much, Asu, for this opportunity once again. And I said it earlier, I'm the marketing lead for the team. And at the creative space, just to give a general overview, we have a well-furnished space that has everything that a creative requires for his or her photography or videography endeavor. Now, you just have to enter the space with an idea and you come out with a masterpiece. You have everything that you need. Lens equipments, sound, lightning.
The free idea being now collect the money. Wow.
Just to put things in perspective, that's why,
Maybe let's go.
Exactly. So we decided to partner because we could identify with the vision of the Startup Exchange program. We want to be able to build an ecosystem where we can support young creatives. You don't have to necessarily own cameras, lighting system, or whatever. Just come to us and we're able to offer all these things to you at a very affordable price for you to be able to pursue that, vision or that creativity that you want to pursue. And so we partnered with them in order to also be able to help startups who are looking for an avenue to market their products, to create content, but they don't have all the things that they need exactly. So every participant is going to have a special, discount offers from us. As exactly aside the other things that we are also supporting the event to it. Exactly. So most importantly, you identify with the vision and you are ready to, go on a long-term partnership with the Startup Exchange program to offer the necessary supports for young entrepreneurs to be able to excel at what they do. So this leader.
I mean, not a lot of people think as you guys are thinking for startups and people and users. And we are grateful. God bless you. God bless you. So before we continue, I'd like you to watch some videos that are highlighting the event. And when we come back, we'll have a conversation about both we are going to be seeing on stage, those are going to be talking to us, etc. See.
Africa, I know it's been a minute and you haven't heard this in a while. I've been cooking, plotting, and planning a number of opportunities for you. And so I'm honored to be part of this year's Startup Exchange Ghana 2.0. It is the ultimate convergence for aspiring entrepreneurs, early stage founders, and growth stage SMEs who are ready to scale, structure, and build meaningful strategic partnership. That's right. And so it's hosted by Abi-Grastle, my friends, which is a premium business strategy and consultancy firm. This platform is just going to be more than an event. It's a movement that is designed to bridge the gap between bold ideas and real execution. Yes, you heard that right. And so I'll be speaking at this year's event on the disciplined founder, how you can maintain operational agility in a volatile market. Yes, in today's rapidly changing economy, discipline is no longer a personal trait. It is a competitive advantage. And so the founders who will thrive tomorrow are those who can stay agile under pressure, execute consistently, and manage growth wisely, and also lead with clarity, even in these uncertain times. And so I look forward to sharing with you, as always, practical insights, leadership lessons, and the mindset that you require to build resilience and also future-ready businesses. So see you at this year's Startup Exchange Ghana 2.0. Please look below in my profile for more details on the date, amongst others. And of course, if you see me at the event, shout outs, hello, Africa. And I'll be more than happy to smile back at you. Thank you so much. See you again next time.
Okay, so that was one of our various speakers or various panelists. So can you give us a brief a brief list of those who are going to be there, those who are going to be speaking to us.
So thank you again for the opportunity. So we have Koki who, watched his video and he's speaking about a disciplined founder. If you're not a disciplined founder, you can be tossed anywhere at all. At the end of the day, your vision or your purpose is not achieved. And then you end up building someone else's business. And so you have to be a disciplined founder. You have to stick to the reason why you started that business and where you want to take it to. It's one of the things that Kofi is speaking about. And we have Lise Malindate, my mentor. She's speaking on corporate governance. Corporate governance is so important because building a company or building a business, it tends to have a lot of politics in there. And so you have to manage people that were your friends that you have employed in your business. People that can say, oh, I know you for a very long time, and so I can go about your business anyhow I want it. The corporate governance aspects of business is very important so that all these things are put in check. And then we have Ms. Jazara. She's also speaking about, are you fundable? That's her topic. Is your business fundable? Have you put in your accounts? Everything is in place that if an investor sees your business or sees the potential that your business has, he or she will be able to fund your business. And so these are a few list of speakers that are coming up for this year. And then one of our partners is also speaking about vocational excellence. That's Gedla Baking School and then Confectionery. On the day she is going to have a live field baking project.
Oh, we are going to use cake.
Yes. Yeah. And then, so I'll let our partners speak on what they are going to share with us because they are also speaking out there.
Okay.
So, thank you once again. So we'll be speaking on creative entrepreneurship. Yeah, so we are in the era of AI.
Mm-hmm.
People can just sit in the comfort of their room, get things done.
Flyers, AI.
Exactly. It's, but there's a certain creativity that AI is not there yet. I'm talking about a creativity where it involves emotions, it involves, some level of, expertise. And what we are looking to let people understand is that whatever idea you have, you can make it bankable.
Okay.
Yes, and not only do we even want to share knowledge with people, but we are even willing to go to the extent of supporting people financially, like funding their startups to be able to help them reach a certain milestone. Exactly. And you look forward to the Winnie startup program entrepreneurs.
Okay, you make your sense. But funding is there. Let me come and then yeah. Okay, so the startup exchange 2.0, and it's happening on the 3rd of 4th. Startup Exchange Program 2.0, 4th of July 2026 at the ISSER Conference Hall. If you can't pronounce it, just be like me. ISSER Conference Hall, University of Ghana, Legon. And the theme for this year is building what's last. We are building startups, we are building companies, we are building businesses that last. And we have a lot of people, a lot of amazing things to speak to us. So come and let's have fun. Let's enjoy this. It's not going to be talk, boring. Say we'll eat cake. So come. So 10 a.m. through to 4 p.m. Limited slots available. Now, if you want tickets, visit www.mx24events and click on the Startup Exchange Program 2.0. It takes you straight to where you buy your tickets and then go and explore. Now, if you want your events amplified on this platform, reach out to us via WhatsApp 059 888 9441. 059-888-9441. If you want to take notes of any event happening around you or just tickets for them, visit mx24.events, www.mx24.events, and go explore. there's a number of events happening around you. Thank you so much. My name is Afi Luna, and I'll see you at our next event.